Low,
One enemy remaining. Spike
Right
down
here.
mid.
Here.
Everyone is off, Daisy.
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
I know what must be done.
Globe, you can request globe.
Silver light stick
Ayun.
niya. What do you mean?
Best.
Need a drop.
Kuya G, pasundo sa Tarlac. Layo rin yan eh. Papasundo kayo, lalayo nga. Tapos ako nga, hindi na ako makalabas dito. Nasa bahay lang ako lagi. Papasundo pa kayo. Ay, nako talaga. Meron.
Drop in a smoke.
Enemy spotted A. Enemy spotted C.
Nakawan si.
You don't have to pick it. Go back, go back, go back.
Fuck.
Drop in a smoke.
Can you go see po?
Assassina.
Planting A, planting A.
Planting.
Abi, I mean.
Spike planted.
Si Press, si.
Dalawa yan.
C.
Sorry, not sorry.
Wingman niya ka
No
lang.
peeking.
That's OP.
One enemy remaining.
OP long.
Have one of these. Right here.
Enemy spotted C.
Nice one. Get OP, bro. Thank you.
Deactivated.
Nice two.
Night proof.
Nice two.
Time to stock back up.
Diyan nagpa-praise ko ulit.
Your skin, Sawa. Sawa.
Nasagot ko na po ba ang iyan?
Need a drop.
Could have a drop.
Thanks.
Anyone need anything?
What do you want pa? Ito or yun?
Kahit ano.
Okay.
Don't
Ay,
smoke
sorry.
at mid. Don't smoke.
Paalam ko muna, G. Sige, paalam ako kay Mami. Pag ako talaga, ha? Meron dito.
It's
Yo, Saba,
you and
careful, ah.
me.
No peeking.
Sabihin mo lang, Saba, kapag meron.
Go, guys.
Your duty is not over.
Kabot pala yan.
Drop in a smoke.
I know exactly where you
Spike down C.
Healing.
Yung, one
Reloading.
A, Wala na dito yung spike.
Nakuha na nila
Spike is
yata.
gone.
May isa nasa smoke.
Nasa garage, ah. Careful this garage.
Drop in a smoke. Careful here.
Going A.
Dito.
Thirty seconds left.
Garage. Planting C.
Spike planted.
One flank. Huwag mahal mo to.
Only two there.
Last player standing.
Back like I never left.
Removed.
Smoke.
Drop in a smoke. Here, catch.
No globe, push.
Last player standing.
Oh my.
Nice try, bro.
Attackers win.
Agoy.
Corteno spray.
Kaya nga eh. So sad, bro. Tignan yun nilaro ko kanino. Tignan yun. Oh. Puro match hindi dito. Sayang. Play ka pa?
Ano na naman tayo? Baka di umabot.
Sige. Ay, go. Sayang yung pinanalo ko kanina. But it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Okay lang yun. It's just game, bro. Don't worry, it's just game. It's just a game. Ayan na, Roblox naman, Jiro. Mamaya na nga ni. Ako yung naglalaro pa. Sa summer, ang layo. Hindi ako makakapunta. Oh, so sad. Guys. Ang init at nagugutom ako. What should I eat?
Match found.
Maybe after neto, ano? What's called that? I'll end live na. Because I need to make cardio pa. I mean, I already have cardio, pero like, you know, gonna, make sure it's fine.
Move or get zapped.
I wanna brip. Paalam mo muna kami, G. I can't. I don't know how to alam you guys because Kasaway Music Fest sa SM Baliwag. Yung next ko binigay ko sa after. Yeah. Kuya Jason, good luck para bukas. Good luck. Good luck to all of you. I don't know what to do. I'm too bored. Bored in the house and everything. Never was bored. Ano daw? Ano ba pwedeng gawin, guys? Oh my god, it's waffle. Bakit? Fries? Ah? Diyan? May potato corn yun dito. Lang. Chill ka lang.
I will drain the life from our prey. That's all they're good for.
Hi guys.
It's my cousin Renzo, guys. Say hi. A lot of people will be there too. O nga pala, si Kedri nandito. Nandito pa ba? Oh. Guys, a lot of people will be there. And one of the members will go there too. Haha, so ano yun na lang. Hulaan nyo kung sino.
I'm out of here. Gotta go. Go. Shortcut.
Stay.
You're done.
Newbie yung Sage. Hindi siya Marcus. Kala ko dito. Secret, di ko sabihin ko sino.
Last player standing.
Di ko sabihin ko sino pupunta. It's a secret, guys.
No peeking. Fight till the end, no matter what. Gotta go.
Not going to disclose anything. I'm not going to say anything kung sino pupunta. What's up, Joshua?
Alright, muckers. Off we go.
Joshua.
I'm out of here. Shortcut.
Ala siya, uy! Nakakainis.
Blinding!
Bulag.
Wall raised.
Last player
standing.
Stand tall. We are Valorant. We are fighters. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Add one.
Tayo ay susugod for na
I'm
birthday
out
ko.
of here.
Lahat naman ganyan.
Next! Coming through! Gotta go!
Free smoke, baka natin.
Gotta go!
Siya pa?
One enemy remaining.
Wonder.
Flash out!
Combat data
Ay.
finalized and submitted.
Bini,
Reloading.
They couldn't
bini.
kill us. Now, they
Go, go, go! I'm out of here! Gotta go!
Ako lang ata hindi pinapansin. What's up, Jonalyn? Napansin na po kita kanina pa nasa tot na rin kita. Hello, Leia. Pre, bakit Anchor April? Napansin na kita, Trisha. What do you mean, hindi lang kita papansinin? Pinapansin kita kanina pa.
there.
Shortcut!
There.
Take this! I'm out of here!
113.
Enemy spotted. B.
Patay.
Clearing out. You're nothing.
Nice one.
Have one of these!
Hindi na mamansin.
will
Hello,
not
Merlin.
kill my
Ayun na nga. Oh,
allies.
ako na puro kaibigan ko.
Blinding. That's not ready.
Enemy spotted B. My ult is ready.
Tremor.
Last player standing.
Like I never left!
What's up, Mari?
One enemy
Jose
remaining.
Mari-chan.
We could have built this world together.
Joke lang. Uy, huwag niyo i-edit yun.
They think they're better than us.
Nasa si Anika now. Nandun sa
Who
ba...
needs a
Sa,
buy?
dito sa baba ata. I don't
Go, go,
know.
go!
Where? Nandito na siya sa bahay.
Gotta go!
Bala, mga lang gumala mag-isa yun.
Go, go,
Diba?
go! I'm out of here! Who needs
Diba?
Need a drop. Tip the
Salamat,
balance in
thanks.
our favor.
Ay...
I'm out of here.
Hello, Sia.
Dropping smoke. Shortcut!
Hala, hindi man lang nakabaril.
Barrier here.
Hindi man lang ako nakabaril eh.
Reloading.
Hindi umabot yung stun.
Kaya nga eh.
Reach lang.
Kahit wag mo na ako sunduin, bigyan mo na lang ako ng album niya. Sige, bili ka muna, tapos bigyan mo sana, tapos bibigay ko ulit sa'yo. Eh.
There.
Hala.
Enemy spotted. Mid.
Blasting.
Your duty is not over. Pew, pew.
Tumira ng tres. Boom, naka-uniform na sa lunes. Okay lang yan.
Last player standing. Spike down mid.
Focus na focus, friend. Hindi nga eh. Tignan yung ginagawa ko ngayon. How's up, KU? Who's this KU?
Come on. Get me in the line of fire.
Tumira ng tres. Ano ba yan? Puro kayo tumira ng tres. Kapag kayo sinot ko talaga sa tres. Jiroklo or hintang isang member. Ayoko nga. Bawal nga eh. Ano po yun?
Pandal.
Need a drop. Need a drop. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
There.
Drop in a smoke. Coming through.
Hala!
Joke's over! You're dead!
Having division. Down.
Spike down
Oh
A.
no.
Blinding! Clearing out! Dead.
You had your fun. My
Last player standing.
Tol, may chismis ako sa'yo. Ano yun, tol? Ano yun, tol? Ano yun, tol?
What
Pag
will
wala
it be
kang
this
magawa,
time?
invite mo
Have
na
any
lang ako sa
patterns
live mo.
emerged yet?
Yoko nga. Yoko nga. Ano po?
Pandal.
Need a drop.
Okay. Ate Casey is outside right now, diba?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Baka busy mag-aral.
Oh.
Gotta go. Shortcut. Down. I'm out of here.
Ito pa?
Grabe mag-run and gun. 102. Eng, sayang.
My ult.
Last player standing.
Even with numbers, anything can still happen. Go, go, go. Remember that. Go, go, go. Gotta go. I'm out of here. Need a drop. Salamat, thanks.
Sir, tampo ka na naman. Ano daw?
Gotta go. There.
Trevor!
Go, go, go.
Cutting their
I'm
vision.
out of here.
There.
Go, go, go.
Dalawa.
Last player
Good
standing.
attempt.
Hala. Grabe na. Boring nga ni sabay, sobra.
One dead.
Alam nyo guys, di ko rin alam eh.
Prepare yourselves.
Bye po,
We fight
Johnny.
once again.
Name coded kit. Ano daw? Hala si Ante, di namamansin. Hala, Shane. John all din pinapansin. Abuting ako na pinapansin kayo. Yung crush niya kung pinapansin ba kayo?
Need a drop.
Agoy.
Salamat, thanks.
Aray. Yung crush hindi siya pinapansin ng crush niya.
Gotta go.
Okay lang, bawi ka na lang next life. Okay lang yan
I'm
guys.
out of here.
This is life.
There. Gotta go. Shocking.
It's you and me!
Can't use it.
Hala, namatay pa siya. What is that?
Gotta go. Shortcut. Right here.
One enemy remaining.
Go, go. Fight. Go, go, go.
Panis.
If you must fall, then fall near me. Gotta go.
Gun here.
Ikaw na mag-OP. Ikaw mag-OP. Bilis, sell mo na yan.
Hindi, napulot ko yan.
Yeah.
I'm out of here.
Ano nga pwede gawin? Maglaro tayo ng Roblox, guys.
I'm outta
Let's
here.
go after this.
Shortcut.
Joke's over! You're
Nice.
dead!
Go, go, go.
Enemy spotted A. My ult is ready.
Gotta go. I'm out of here.
Spike down A.
I'm out of here.
Wait, what?
Got the spike.
One side.
Enemy spotted.
A.
One side.
Last player standing. Spike down A. One enemy
Carrier's
remaining.
dead.
Last player standing.
Open mo sa
Drop
site
the
lang.
spike!
For the playsafe na. Tara na, boy. Wait lang, boy.
30 seconds left.
Spike
We're
planted!
playing. Zero, there's a guy in our class that likes me and won't stop annoying me. Ayaw mo nun. May nagkagusto sa'yo. You know what? You should be
Nice.
proud of that. It's your pity.
Trust me,
Kasi hindi
they'll
ka na
know.
magustuhan dun eh. Kung
Gotta go.
hindi niya tingin maganda ka dun. You should be proud
Go,
of
go.
na like na nagkakagusto sa'yo. It's fine lang naman eh.
I'm out of here.
I'm feeling generous. Who needs a buy?
Yung Vandal.
Need a drop.
Oo nga pala.
Have.
Sorry.
Okay.
We win. We survive.
Gotta go. Dropping smokes. Stop
There.
it. Next, I'm out of here. Here we go. Eliminated.
101.
Spike planted. Here.
Catch.
Still in sight.
Two there. Two. Patay. Hala siya.
What?
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
You will not kill my ally.
Agoy.
It's
Kill
you and me!
Hala! That's so sad. Oh, he kept on touching your hand, bro? Oh my god,
yeah.
tell that to your principal. I don't know, just tell, sabi mo sa teacher mo.
Last round in the half.
Katamad pumasok,
Spend your
prepad tayo.
cash. Don't look back.
Gusto ko na pumasok eh. You want Vandal?
Need a drop. Salamat. Thanks.
Feeling generous. Who needs a buy?
Need a drop. Salamat. Thanks.
Hala.
Go, go, go. Dropping smokes. Shortcut.
Nice filter. Heaven.
Wall raised.
Off your feet!
Spike planted.
Go, go, go.
Hala. Grabe na.
Spotted B.
One alley.
Enemy.
Nice.
Last player standing.
Shotgun yan.
Drop in a smoke.
Yeah, let's play Demonology. It's Spirit Hunt siya, horror game, Roblox game. Wow, Roblox game na.
Sinabi niya nabulag ka daw.
Switching sides.
May breach siya kalaban.
Let them try to get through me.
Ay, naka. Tara na nga ni, wait nga lang nga ni, hindi pa nga tapos, di ba?
Gotta go!
Ako yung naglalaro pa nga ni. Miss mo na school pre, siyempre. Gusto ko na mag-school pre.
I'm out of here. Gotta go!
Hey.
Target down.
I'm out of here.
What is that? Yeah, they're still going A. One ramps and nice. 2 ramps left.
Last player standing.
My bad.
70 reach.
Spike down A.
Guys, don't spam, don't spam. Isang good luck kayo para lang bukas, tol. Good luck kayo. Hello, hi. Wait, what? How do you pronounce that? Aray. Sige po, V. Let's play that game. After this, let's play, okay?
Go, go, go!
You're going B.
On my mark.
Bad trip naman.
Spike planted.
Ako itahimik lang sa umpisa.
Enemy spot.
Ala,
Come on, ako.
Stealing sight. Cutting their
Flash out!
hulo, pwede mong blend sa wall?
Last player standing.
Wow.
Flawless.
Kaya nagtaka din ako kanina kasi sa wall ako nag... Pero sabi
Tara
ni
na!
Reyna na
Clock
blind daw
ticking.
siya. Parang phantom.
Okay.
Need a drop. Salamat, thanks. Gotta go! Go, go! Gotta go! Go, go, go! Shocking! I want it easy.
Dami.
Last player standing.
As directed.
Ang galing talaga ng mga nag-neon tapos magaling sa shotgun.
I hate waiting.
Go, go, go!
Let's do this!
Kasi it's so hard.
Gotta go! Need a drop. Salamat, thanks. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
No prisoners.
Go, go, go!
Going A. Pero alam mo ba kanina ginawa akong leader? Oh, sinabi mo
Go,
kanina.
go, go! I'm out of here.
Trevor! Joke's over! You're dead!
Last player standing. Team Ace.
Grabe na.
Match point.
The enemy only looks composed. Their hearts
Hostility
Random.
Need a drop. Salamat, thanks. Gotta go. Gotta go.
Miss ko kuya ako kalaro dito.
Go, go, go.
Yabang nito, kala mo naman talaga competitive eh.
Gotta go.
It's you and me.
Like I never left.
Hala, hindi pa namatay. Ay, nako guys. Na-re-stress na naman ako sa Valorant. Oh god, rating na ako this year. Good luck.
Drop in a scoop.
My teeth hurts. Parang hindi niyo ako narinig. I don't know what to do because I can't eat. Because my teeth hurts. But I want to
30 seconds left.
That's right.
That's 3. You will not kill my ally.
One enemy remaining. Last
Wow.
player standing. 10 seconds left.
Oh no.
No charges left.
Spike planted.
Hindi nga nas pamili.
That's right.
Attackers win.
GG's ka na po.
CG's. Bye-bye.
So yun guys, no? I'ma open my Roblox because let's play Roblox. Kasi I don't know. I'll play until I don't know, until 8. Kasi yeah. Let's play until 8. So see, that's so amazing. Hello. Yan, kanina 7, ngayon 8 naman. Ba't ka decision? Ako naman naglalaro. Hindi, joke lang. Sige lang. Okay lang yan. I'm so indecisive. No. Ayoko na magpastabam. Nainis lang ako dyan. Guys, you wanna play this? Kasi nga lang, dami kasi na ito. Hindi lang kailangan kay card yan. Base World. Sponsored. That's sponsored. Recommend for you. Build an island. I don't want to. Uy, Mexico driving Empire. Let's go drive. Nagagalit na naman. I'm not mad, guys. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Oh, diba? Puk puk ta. Puk puk ta. Oh. Why? Nanonood ka. Let's play this. Play mo doors. Maya. Uy, McLaren. I want McLaren. Welcome to Driving Empire. Wow, this. Boom! Look! Boom! Di tumatasik eh. Oh, I love this. Boom! I like this, bro. Guys, wait. Ito first of all, I can accept now because I already have 1,000 friends. You guys know that? So mga hindi ma-accept, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh no, I can't get out of here now. Yeah. Oh my god! Ano yun? Nahanap ko ng gusto kong ano guys. Angas ng kotse ko. Nahanap ko ng gusto kong laro sa Roblox. It's like, wow, this is amazing. I'm legit, hey! Okay. Let's go play. Eh? Ano, congrats for the first dance workshop mo, G. Thank you po. You guys can see it naman, di ba, my live? Yeah. Name mo sa Roblox, Jerome02 po. Hey, angas. Boom! Sa pool. Oh, may nangyari dun. Eh, angas na tumato. Eh, tara dito! Graduate 1 Demonology Ghost Hunt siya. Nakakatakot minsan. Alam nyo sumisigaw ako pag natatakot, gusto nyo paglaruin ng nakakatusin ito. Ayun. More realistic. Let's go jump! Whee! Lulul! Pangit naman ang jump! Bitin yung jumpy! Pwede maging ano. Pwede maging manual siya, guys. Angas. Boom. Guys, saan kayo? Saan kayo? Pagandatan ng kotse dito. There's a respawn. Where? I'm here. Punta kayo dito. Dito. Let's race. Angas. Uy, bakit ka sumasok kayo dyan? Bawal yan. Bawal yan. Hey, get out. Alo. Ano to? Ala, ba't may passenger sis? May... Oh, tara. Sunod kayo. Ganda ng GTR oh. Naiwan yung anchors, guys. Naiwan sila, guys. Tara, sunod. Where can I buy? Where can I buy a new Tara, andyan na sila eh. Bilis na ito oh. Hindi pa rin kami naunahan. Ang bilis ko guys, ang galing ko talaga. But actually ganito, I'll get off later. Baka masapangan pa ako ng mga angkos. Oh no. Oh, oh my god! I wanna buy this. I wanna buy this. I wanna buy this. Bruh, I wanna buy this. Where can I buy? It's so laggy for me. I really don't know where can I buy. Oh, may motorcycle rin. Oh my god, I want this. I want this game. I want this. What's her name? What's his name in? Oh, wow, this is so amazing. How much is my money? 300,000. How much is the Supra? Wait, Supra. Wow. I'm gonna purchase. Are you sure? Hey. Ooh. I'm gonna go with this. Customize. Let's go to customize. Oh, I customized on this. Pasok 5:30. T-shirt dress. I can. What? Performance. Gym. Why I don't have any? Wait. Hey, panis. Okay. Next one is brakes, caliper, tires. I need this. How can I get more? Where can I buy tuning kits? I don't know where to buy tuning kits. Ah, this one. Yeah, that's what I need, bro. That's what I need. Open 4. Unang araw pa lang may homework agad. Ulo! Ba naman yan ang ano naman ng teacher nyo? Unang araw pa lang eh. Uy, quad turbo. Nice. Oh, air filter. Oh, dual system. Oh, this is good. Thank you. I have steering wheel supercharger. Oh, that's for the stock tires. Yun, slick tires. Again, still piston. It's all the same. What? Why? Oh, may off-road na. Hey. Oh my god, I need to suspension. We gonna buy that. No, I'm not gonna do that. Offset. Yes. Gonna do that to our car and then drive screen. Yeah, I think this is good. And then appearance. Nah, I need full box for that. Paint. I'm gonna go with black. Nah, I'll go with black. And then lights. I'm gonna go with red. And then rims. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. Interior. Let's go with the white. Huwag mo na yan, masyado mahal. Sama kayo dito sa pag-ano ko, guys. I wanna go to Japan. Huwag na muna yan. Okay na muna yan. Because we don't have any money na caliper. I'll go with red. Yun lang. Ooh, that's fire. Okay, let's go. Grabe sarap mag-aaral pag si Jiro pahinga mo. Thank you guys. Kuya, may recommend ako na game, Highway, full self. Oh, okay. Ganda ng sasakyan ko. Wow, umabot ng Asan sila? Guys, saan kayo? Nandito ka na ang bata ka? Ha? Kiss kuya, kiss. Andiyan na pagkain? Yung waffle? Ako, okay kuya. Thank you. Nak, mukhang kukunin ka na nila sa sorry. Yan na. Follow me. dito. Ano? Ano sabi? Nakalive ako. Asan na sila? Balik tayo sa respawn. Hala, yun na, nabunggo na ako. Oh. That's fine? Fine? Are you sure? Meron pa ako isa eh. Meron pa ako isa. Ata, pati ka? Patay ko dito. Yes, this is Kuya. This is mine. Yay. So delicious. Kahit lang, kailangan ko pumunta sa ano, Mintab. Karena bagal tong sakyan na to. Hala siya. Kain muna ako, dito muna tayo ha. Hala. Ay ko. Kaya nahulog na sa pants. Oh no! I need wipes. Wait. I'm back. I'm back to the ball game. Ano? Dami tao, ang so. Ang asama natin tignan ay ang ganda ng sasakyan nito. Paano dumami pera dito? Tara. Bilis naman ang sasakyan nun. Oh, tara, bakbakan tayo. Bakbakan tayo ngayon, tara. La. Na-stuck ng aking ano. Ano yun, Anchor Racer? Ganda ng sakyan nito. Ay. Wala na akong pira, oy. Ba naman yan? Wala na akong pira. I only have 4,000 left. One live na miss ko na siya, pre. Di ko rin alam eh. Yan, Onyx block tayo edit. Ito. Cosmos. ¿Cómo estás? Yan, block tayo. Ayoko, gusto ko block. Wait lang guys. Ano yun? Okay. So, what time ko mag-end? 8 nga ni. Mag-red tayo. Kasi why not? Wait, what? Rims. Mahal ng rims, bro. Like super. Look at that. It's 24k. No, let's just go out. Guys, let's go. Hala, may helicopter siya. Dami niya pero. Kaya lang yung solid ah. Nag-stay kaya dito. Uy, ang dulas ng gulong. Grabe na ang gulong nito, napakadalas ay. Hindi naman makapit siya eh. May kasama pala ako dito. What's up, pre? Uy, lo. Sino ang angkas ko? Hindi ko rin kilala ito eh. Yes, Shire. So late na kanina pa. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Okay, mambash guys. It's okay. Papayaan niyo siya. Okay lang yan. Hindi naman to passenger princess guys. Sumakay lang siya kasi wala ata siyang sakyan. Huwag niyo awayin. Okay lang yan. Wala naman akong ganun. Huwag kayong mag-aaway guys. Huwag niyo awayin yung kapwa ang course niya. Dapat walang ganun. Hala. Give me some beat. Sino dito naglalaro na Roblox? Huwag mo naman bangkain sa sakyan ko, no? Kaya na, Bob. Ay, dito pala siya. Sino dito naglalaro na Roblox? Kain muna ako, ah. Mamaya, kuha mo si Kuya Wipes. Ano guys? Kaya ito, napakabait. Napakabait ng kahit sobrang kulit. Totoo yun. Pero sobrang bait ng bata. Sobra. McLaren. Ganda na ito. Toyota tayo. Supra lang kasi maganda dito eh. Sa Ford ano meron dito? Subaru BRZ meron. Wala. Ayan na pala yan. Pre! Ayun ako. Ano maganda dito? Bentley. Ayaw kasi na Bentley. Jason si Aniko wala na. Ganda ng sasakyan nito. Tingnan yung yaman pala nito guys oh. Ako naman. Eh. Anika! Ouch. Hello guys, I'm back. Hello. May nakakasunod sa atin ah. Sige, papalo pa rin ko. We need to find the exit though. Boom. Labas na tayo dito, laro na tayo ibang laro. At baka boring na kayo. Demonology. Demonology. This is the one. Ooh.
Demonology. Oh.
Pasara nga na pito. I know, hey, you're the new hire, right? Would you like me to take you on a quick training? Excellent. First thing first, we need to select our job site. Okay. Bro, you guys are level 2, it's okay. I need to invite someone? Oh, okay. We may level 4 and level 5. Wow, amazing. Objective, identify the correct ghost type. Okay. Okay, boss. Now, every ghost hunter will have their own preference, but personally I like to start out by exploring the job site with a thermometer. Come with me, let's check the temperature of this. Whoa, it's far colder over here. Just from the temperature, I can tell that the ghost spends a lot of time here. I think this is the ghost room. Let's see if we can cover it with the video camera. Wow, this is amazing. Take a look around the camera and see what. That floating white orb is a ghost. Let's keep track of the blah. Ghost orb. Bro, where's the ghost orb? Bro, how do you yung bilog na white? Yeah. What to do? What to do with this? Kusog, punta ka evidence zero. Where's the evidence? Ah, dito! Agoy. Special equipment is near the goals. If to get it, you can just drop this item on the ground and wait to see if they prove. Okay. Thank you. Sometimes I go with this projector with walk. Let me go set this down over here. Yo, what? Yo, guys. While we're waiting to see if we get any evidence from this, let's use some of other equipment as well. Here. Especially common with doors that the ghost opens or closes, but they can leave them anywhere. You can only see them. Ah. Guys, I really don't know how to play this. Hanapin ko yung handprint. Eh, nasaan nga ni? Hindi ko nga mahanap yung handprint. Uy. Wow. So, second piece of evidence. Okay. EMP level 5. A spirit box. Nasaan ka nga? Hindi kita makita. Oh, ito na. Oh. Do you want us to live? When did you pass away? Where are you? Kailangan po ba si Charles? Whoa, that's scary. Ghost we're dealing with is a nightmare. Once you select nightmare in general, we can head out. Okay. I'ma go first. Okay. Guys, you know what? It's very... We can like communicate talaga, really. Do you guys have Discord? Eh... You guys want Discord? Huh? You guys want Discord? You guys want Discord? I'm talking to you guys. You guys want Discord? Gusto niya mag DC. This game is what do you call this? It's demonology. Grabe naman tong level 16. Hey, you will receive a team invite. Yes. Grabe to. Guys, sino nakasama ko? Nag-imbas ako ng Grow Garden. Oh, wow. Level 1, level 2. Oh. It's trash sense eh. May level 16 oh. Yung Kenji po, kuya. You guys want a Discord? Ah, gusto niyo ba talaga ng Discord? Paano kapag ako? I'm already in a party, guys. Level 1. Level 1. This is... Start Akio. Ready. Guys, ready kayo guys? Yan. Let's go. Ready. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm already in a party. I go. What should I do? Isang hiring naman po. Hello. Guys, kung sino man po my record, share your blessings. You need to ready, bro. What's up, Sha? Ay, napansin na kita. I want thermometer, EMP reader. EMP reader para reader. Wala. Wala nagdala ng EMP. EMP out! Uy! Lamig dito. No, this is the place. No, this is the place. Wait. $19. Ay no. Yo, get out. Get out, get out. Get out. Hey, 18. 18.79. Dito na. $18.1. Taas. Are you in the wrong with me? Ikaw na, ikaw. Asaan? Give me. Labas. Kaya nga eh. Tahimik ng laro, no? Tahimik na ng laro. Walang sigaw-sigaw dito, no? Kaya nga eh, focus lahat eh. Sige. Sige. Nightmare. Hindi naman nakakatatot to. Ano ba to? Hindi ko nga rin alam ba't ang tahimik eh. Siren. Rar. Nakakatakot pa ako dyan eh. Huwag nyo sabihin para tuloy na. Ano ba sinasabi niya? Oy, Jira, ano, mag-end ka nang hindi kami sinasali sa game mo. Hindi ko rin alam. Ready na! Ready! Sumasakit lang yung bato ko dito sa laro na to eh. Nightmare. Ayun. Ala, may umaasa talaga sa Discord to. Gusto niyo ba talaga? Mag-iingay kasi. Wish me. Naka-ready na lahat. Naka-ready na. Naka-ready na. Lena. Sino ba talaga ng Discord? Wait nga. Ay ko talaga. I want TMP. I want this one. I want flash backlight. No, I want this. Yo, I need flashlight. I can't see anything. Okay. Meron dito, meron sa baba. Oh no. What's that? Bro. Huh? Are we locked here? Okay, nice game. Tara, ako mag-react. Ay, sino to? Ayun ito mahulo. Sino ba pwede yan? Hey. Grabe to, 43. So naman. Kaya ano tayo naman matataas. Ano to? Sige nga, saling ako sa'yo. What is this? Guys, I can't play this anymore. I really don't know what to do here. Magko-choreo na ako. Kailangan ko na mag-choreo. So guys. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Naantok na ako. Gawin na choreo mo. Kaya nga eh. Mura na laro mo pre. Sorry pre. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Hindi ako makarelate sa kanila eh. Hindi naman kasi ako nangahanap ng mga multi. Tinatakbuhan ko kasi yung hindi, joke lang. Ay ko. Drop DC. Mamaya. So yun. Thank you for tonight. Gagawa na ako ng choreo because I need to na. And yeah. And guys, reminder. You guys can do walk-in on Saturday only. Pre-register. So you guys need to register talaga, okay? It's sure. So, sa mga pupunta dyan, yung mga nagdadalawang isip, pumunta na kayo kasi ako na nag-iisip, ako na nag-decide sa inyo lahat. So, pumunta na kayo and see you there and let's have fun there. Hindi lang